Hello guys, welcome to the Manu Education. My name is Surya sir and today in this particular video we'll talk about Maharashtra BEd. Let's bring the change in 2022 guys. Wanna become teacher and we already make these several videos on the YouTube. Go to the YouTube portal guys, watch that particular video. Teacher बनना क्यों जरूरी है? What are the career scopes? What are the job opportunities? What are the placement packages and which are the top colleges जहां से आपको BEd pursue करना चाहिए and BEd after giving which entrance exam? The Maharashtra BEd. So guys, watch this particular video till the end because we'll talk about some top colleges and also with respect to the competition जो चला आ रहा है guys with respect to the BEd. Okay, competition in 2020, 2021 and upcoming year 2022. Competition बहुत high होने वाला है guys. So that's why you should be prepared very well. Okay, so start from the scratch because batches are already launched guys. So let's talk about the competition guys. Okay, what the stat says with respect to the Maharashtra BEd. How many number of colleges are there in Maharashtra guys? 362 plus colleges are the aided one, unaided one, private one, okay, and also some of the government colleges too. So in 2020, how many number of students registered guys? 58,300, approx 41,000 for the BEd general and thereafter around 17,000 registered for the BEd CET plus ELCT to pursue the BEd in the English medium and to teach the students in the English medium. Thereafter in 2021, look at the stat guys, 75,700 plus candidates. So सारे records तोड़ दिए guys, BEd ने इतने सारे कैंडिडेट कभी भी नहीं आए. Okay, so 2021 75,700 और अगर हम बात करें in 2022 this number will be increased guys. अब यहाँ इतनी अच्छी ग्रोथ हो चुकी है, so probably 85 to 90,000 plus candidate will be registered in 2022 क्योंकि guys पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन है. कौन से करियर ऑप्शंस बेस्ट है इसके लिए आपको बहुत सारी वीडियोस भी देखनी होगी. सो गो टू द यूट्यूब पोर्टल, आप देख सकते हो गाइस MCA इज बेटर और MSc BEd इज बेटर और द अदर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स आर बेटर वेयर यू कैन मेक योर करियर टू गेट योर ड्रीम जॉब. एंड गाइस बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है आपके पास, बट टीचर ओके ऑल्दो आप घर से भी पढ़ा सकते हो. ओके, ऑनलाइन स्टडी हो रही है सब जगह. सो BEd एक काफी अच्छा प्रोग्राम है इफ यू आर ग्रेजुएटेड. ओके गाइस, now if you talk about all the top colleges, then these are the top colleges: BTTC Bombay Teacher Training College, KJ Somaiya Education Research Center, ACCR Adarsh Comprehensive College of Education and Research, and TSCR the Thakur Sham Narayan College of Education and Research. Now to enter into these colleges guys, you have to score around 100 to 110 plus mark out of 150. Okay, 100 BEd general and 50 from the ELCT. Okay guys, so टारगेट होना चाहिए 110 to 120 प्लस मार्क, तो इजीली एडमिशन हो जाए क्योंकि गाइस कंपटीशन बढ़ते रहने वाला है. एंड फॉर दैट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द महाराष्ट्र BEd CET एंड ELCT. अब इसके सिलेबस क्या है, कौन सी शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स आपको आनी चाहिए गाइस, एंड व्हाट आर द कॉग्निटिव इफेक्ट्स, को जितना भी आपने पढ़ा है वो सारा याद रहे. और बिकॉज क्योंकि BEd CET में कंपटीशन जब टफ होने वाला है तो आपको भी गाइस बहुत हद तक प्रिपरेशन करना होगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई अपने प्रिपरेशन को एक सही राह दिखा सकते हो. BEd एंट्रेंस ऑनलाइन प्रिपरेशन बैच जो हमने स्टार्ट किया गाइस, दिस इज द कोर्स वे एंड व्हाट इट सेज यू विल रिसीव द बुक्स एंड स्टडी मटेरियल्स एट होम. सो आप उसमें से भी काफी सारे टॉपिक कवर कर सकते हो. ईच पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक कवर 50 to 60 to 70 plus questions. Okay, mock test series, you will get access for the mock test series such as the topic test with respect to each particular topic, with respect to each particular section, and the full length mock test which is complete replica of your Maharashtra BEd CET exam. Now throughout this period you will solve around 10,000 plus questions, so lot of data for the practice purpose guys. And live class is there, pre-recorded class is there, and the doubt solving class is there. So you will get the recorded form of all these one. That means once live lecture will be out, automatically it will be recorded on your portal. Okay, now you will get the mentorship by the exam experts and the toppers. So you will learn lot of things from the toppers too and from our mentors too. Okay, syllabus will be taught such as English. Now most focus will be on the reading comprehension part, mental ability, general knowledge, and the teacher's aptitude. Teacher aptitude, it is nothing but okay the ability to become a teacher. Next we will put major focus on the general knowledge part, reading comprehension, and the logic arrangement and puzzle part, because यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स काफी दिक्कत करते हैं. तो you have to learn all the shortcut tricks है, okay, all the cognitive effects here, okay, and you have to increase your speed. Okay guys, so you will learn all those things. After result you will get complete guidance for the admission process जो कि आपका cap round होने वाला है, which particular college you should target, which particular college you should put in your list, preference list, so you will get complete guidance about the cap round and the admission process. Now, throughout this period, we will organize various quiz workouts, strategy building sessions, and the chief mentor session. Now, you will also get the interaction with the toppers and various podcasts already we uploaded on our YouTube portal. You can guys watch all those videos too. Now, so get all these features such as the live class, videos, books, mock tests, mentorship, admission process. Call or WhatsApp on 8828581454 or 55, or you can visit our website manmotive.com/B.Ed entrance. So these all are the features of the B.Ed live batch, guys. Okay, so if you want a preparation for 2022 or 23, you can also call on our respective numbers or visit our website for all exam updates and notification. Guys, follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's it, guys. Still, if you have any doubts and queries in your mind, just feel free to ask me in the comment section and we'll try to answer all of your queries. So that's it. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.